Homemade feminine wash. Your vagina is not exactly a meadow to smell fresh 24/7. In fact, healthy vagina is supposed to emit a distinct smell, just the degree of intensity varies. What you need to look out for is change in the smell, and that's when homemade vagina wash comes into picture. Believe it or not, your lady part is a self-cleaning mechanism, with healthy number of good bacteria that help maintain the required pH balance, which is 4.5. It is when the balance is tipped that the smell becomes pungent. In short, if one can smell a normal vagina more than 1 foot away, there is a problem. What triggers this smell? Menstrual cycle, lack of proper hygiene, unprotected sex, improper diet, etc., can all temporarily change the smell of your vagina. And here are 2 excellent wash. 1. Aloe vera and vinegar. The 2 active ingredients in this wash are aloe vera and vinegar. Aloe vera has strong anti-fungal and antiseptic properties and helps to get rid of the organisms that contribute to infections. Aloe vera is a natural emollient. It also battles against the growth of candida, which causes those pesky yeast infections. Vinegar is needed to restore the vagina's pH. Also, white vinegar is antibacterial in nature and it has the power to neutralize odor. Ingredients to make this wash: you'll need, add 1/2 cup of water in a bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in it, slice open an aloe vera leaf and scrape the gel out of it, mix the gel with the water, apply this on your vagina, you can then rinse it with warm water too. Plain yogurt. If you eat yogurt, you know that it is full of beneficial probiotics. Just as yogurt can improve the health of your stomach, it can also improve the health of your vagina. Yogurt can be directly applied to the vagina. This ingredient is especially helpful if you're battling a yeast infection. When using yogurt, homemade is best. Avoid yogurts with added sugar. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.